The biomass is an energy source which comes directly of the sun for the photosynthesis. We can find it in different elements of nature. Thermochemical, gasification or pyrolysis, biological, anaerobic digestion, or alcoholic fermentation, or esterification. Splinter, we can obtain them from the cleaning of the forest. This could be used to prevent the risks of the fire. These plants use the forest waste to produce biomass, which can have thermal or energy use.
We consider production process of pellets. In a fact, there are 30 plants of production. The installed capacity in aspect by cogeneration in 2007 was 6,075.
At the box also, you can see the evolution of the use in Spain in KTEP. The Spanish region with the higher production is Andalusia. On the map below, there are the zones marked in red, zones with more biomass potential. In general, we don't take advantage from the resources we have.
Production of the electricity from the tap. This plant consumes 100 tons of tap a year and produces 120 tons bioethanol, biodiesel, and biopropanol.
Raw materials to produce electricity can be the energy block like wood and sunflowers. Stage for the development of the biodiesel.
Biodiesel plants. Here we can see different pictures of the biofuels production. Bioethanol and biodiesel production lines. The graphic of the left samples the main worldwide producers of bioethanol. In the upper map, we can see the distribution of countries according to the cost to produce biodiesel, and marked the plants of biodiesel in Spain, and in green the plants of bioethanol.
In this graphic, we can see how was increasing the annual consumption of biodiesel in Spain.
Other biodiesel plants in Spain. Here we can see some pictures of plants to produce biodiesel in Spain.
Biofuel oil stations. In this map, we can see the distribution of biofuel oil stations in Spain. Catalonia is the region with more oil stations.
The user is to produce biodiesel and not using too much of it. Thank you for your attention.
What is bioenergy? Bioenergy is produced from organic or biological substances. Bioenergy is the heat from any type of biomass burning. Biomass
and biofuel. Biomass is a biological material derived from living or semi-living organisms.
History. As we all know, bioenergy was the first source of energy. People are always using it for heating, lighting, and also for cooking meals.
So here we have columns that represent the renewable energy percentage in the final energy consumption. In 2005, 19.7% of total 20% was from biomass, and year after year it has been decreasing. Our target is to keep it like 2005, and why not even increase it?
Bioenergy in Estonia. It's used and produced, for example, firewood, which is made of wood-based biomass. So we visited Aravetta's biogas plant, and that's some kind of things that we saw.
Future. In the future, bioenergy is creating new jobs and investments. We hope to increase the production rate of bioenergy and make the production more efficient.
First, we want to tell you something about the historical facts, and then we have photos of the structure of biogas plants, and then we inform you about the main reactions and the critics of the biogas plants. Around 3000 before Christ was the beginning of the unconscious use of microorganisms, and in the year 1776, methane as a hydrocarbon, and in the year 1859, the first biogas plant was built in Bombay in India.
In the early 1950s, biogas production had one short peak in agricultural sectors in Germany.
It also makes 6% for the German electricity production.
And implementation. And here is the electricity control system.
And now we come to the fourth phase of the pollen process. One, bacteria reduce organic substances like sugar, fat, amino acid, and water. Two, the bacteria make it to organic acid, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfate, and ammoniac.
The effectiveness of biogas is very low, not more than 90%. But if you refit the digger state storage, you can raise it to 36%. The problem is 46% left in the digger state.
Thank you for your attention.
Our presentation is about some alternative fuels, biofuels. And we are Vassos, Sotiris, Vasiliki, Evangelia, Eleftheria, and Dennis.
A biofuel is a fuel produced from living organisms, such as plants and margarine. These fuels are made from a biomass conversion. Biomass refers to recently living organisms.
Syngas, abbreviation for synthesis gas, is a gas which is used as an intermediate to generate synthetic natural gas and synthetic petroleum to create ammonia and methanol or as a fuel source. Bioethanol. The principal fuel used as a petrol substitute for road transport vehicles is bioethanol. The main sources of sugar required to produce ethanol come from fuel or energy crops. Ethanol, or ethyl alcohol, is a clear colorless liquid. It is biodegradable, low in toxicity, and causes little environmental pollution if spilled.
Biodiesel is a form of diesel fuel manufactured from vegetable oils, animal fats, or recycled vegetable wastes. Most vehicle manufacturers approve blends up to B5 and some approve blends up to B20. Biodiesel compared to petroleum diesel. Advantages. Domestically produced from non-petroleum renewable resources. Fuel ethers were first introduced in the 1970s to Europeans, linked a toxic compound which has since then been banned in Europe. Why use bioreactors? The base case biofuels is bioreactors because
biogas typically refers to methane produced by the carbonation of organic matter, including manure, wastewater sludge, and municipal soil waste under anaerobic conditions. Other sources of biogas are landfills, anaerobic lagoons, and sewage treatment plants. Biogas from municipal sewage treatment plants typically contains 55% to 65% methane, with the remainder being primarily carbon dioxide. The energy produced is considered renewable energy.